When it comes to enhancing your home's curb appeal, few upgrades make as significant an impact as new windows. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to refresh your living space, the right windows can transform the appearance of your home, increase its value, and improve energy efficiency. For homeowners in Bartow, a community known for its charming historic homes and modern residential developments, installing new windows can be an investment that brings both aesthetic and functional benefits. First impressions matter. The first thing anyone notices when approaching your home is its exterior. Windows play a pivotal role in your home's overall appearance. Cracked, outdated, or faded windows can make your home look worn and uninviting. On the other hand, sleek, new windows give your home a fresh, modern feel. The right style of windows can complement the architecture of your home and enhance its design features. In Bartow, many homes feature a blend of traditional and contemporary styles. Whether you live in a classic bungalow or a more modern home, new windows can be selected to suit your aesthetic preferences. Opt for energy-efficient, low-maintenance materials such as vinyl or fiberglass for a sleek look that requires little upkeep while still offering a high level of performance. Improve energy efficiency. One of the most practical benefits of new windows is the boost in energy efficiency. Older windows, especially single-pane windows, are notorious for allowing heat to escape in the winter and letting cool air seep out during the summer. This not only makes your home uncomfortable but can also drive up your energy bills. By upgrading to modern windows with double or triple panes, low-E coatings, and gas fills, you'll enjoy a more stable indoor temperature throughout the year. This will reduce the load on your HVAC system, keeping your home cozy in the winter and cool in the summer. As an added bonus, this energy efficiency translates into lower utility costs, providing you with long-term savings. In Bartow, where temperatures can soar in the summer and dip in the winter, having energy-efficient windows will also help maintain a comfortable atmosphere in your home, ensuring you're not spending more on heating and cooling than necessary. Enhanced natural light. New windows can allow for more natural light to enter your home, which is an easy way to make any room feel brighter, more inviting, and larger. Natural light has been shown to improve mood, reduce stress, and make a space feel more open and airy. By replacing older windows with larger, more open styles, you can maximize the amount of daylight that filters into your home. Consider features like picture windows, bay windows, or even floor-to-ceiling windows to open up a room and flood it with sunlight. In Bartow, where the sun shines often, taking full advantage of natural light will bring out the beauty of your home's interior, making it feel fresh and energizing. Increase home value. Curb appeal is a key factor in determining your home's value, whether you plan to sell soon or not. Homes with modern, well-maintained windows tend to stand out on the market. Buyers are attracted to homes that look well kept, as they signal that the property has been cared for and is likely to have fewer hidden issues. New windows not only boost curb appeal but can also be a major selling point. Energy-efficient windows, for example, are highly sought after by today's homebuyers. They offer comfort, savings, and environmental benefits, making them an attractive feature for anyone looking to invest in a home. If you're planning to sell your Bartow home, upgrading your windows can make a significant difference in how quickly your property sells and at what price. The initial investment in new windows often pays off through a higher resale value. Low maintenance and durability. Modern windows are built to last and require minimal maintenance. Unlike older wooden windows, which may require frequent painting and sealing, newer materials like vinyl, fiberglass, and composite windows are virtually maintenance-free. They resist rot, peeling, and fading, allowing you to spend less time maintaining your home's exterior and more time enjoying it. For homeowners in Bartow, where the weather can fluctuate and humidity levels can be high, low-maintenance windows are a perfect solution. They'll stand up to the elements without deteriorating, ensuring your home always looks its best. Add personal style. New windows give you the opportunity to inject your personal style into your home's exterior. With a variety of window styles, colors, and finishes available, you can customize your windows to complement your home's existing features or even make a bold statement. From classic double-hung windows to modern casement styles, there's a window for every taste and preference. Choosing the right window style can help tie together the overall aesthetic of your home, whether you want a traditional, rustic look or something more contemporary. In Bartow, where diverse home styles abound, new windows are a fantastic way to make your home stand out while reflecting your unique sense of style. Conclusion. Investing in new windows is one of the most effective ways to boost your Bartow home's curb appeal. Not only will they improve the look of your home, but they'll also enhance its energy efficiency, increase its value, and reduce maintenance requirements. Whether you're planning to sell or simply want to enjoy a more beautiful and functional living space, upgrading your windows is a smart choice that will provide lasting benefits for years to come.